Welcome back to Gadget Saga with Realme Buds Q unboxing video. Realme Buds Q is designed by Jose Levy, art director of Realme Studio. Specially designed in Paris. Realme Buds Q, small in size, big in battery. Let's check the specifications given backside of the package. 20 hours long battery life. 10 mm bass boost driver. Instant connectivity works with Bluetooth 5.0. 3.6 grams of ultra lightweight body, and the price is Rs 1999, available in Amazon.in and Realme.com. Let's check the content inside the package. It is the micro USB charging cable. And this is a quick start guide, which contains usage of Realme Link app, packing list, product introduction, how to connect, how to pair, how to operate touch configuration, and how to charge, how to check buds battery status, how to reset buds. We will check all those later on Realme Link app. Cobble is looking handy and smoothy. Here stick the instruction for pairing the buds. Let's remove the sticker. Here is the micro USB charging port of the Cobble. Realme Buds Q, weight only 3.6 grams and is made of light but strong PC plus ABS special polymer composite. Structured to perfectly fit in the ear canal. Comfort to wearing for long time. There is the magnetic charging pins for buds in the Cobble. Realme provides 3 sizes of earbud tips with Buds Q. One set came along with buds and 2 more different size tips provided inside the package. Peel the film which covered on Buds touch panel. Remove it before using for good accuracy. Now I am charging the Cobble along with buds before my first usage. The red light indicates Cobble is charging. Keep charging, the light turns to green. Now the light indicates green. It's fully charged. Open Realme Link app. Before pair, turn on the Bluetooth. Press Add button to add new device. Select earphone section and select Buds model. Now I am looking to pair with Buds Q. So select Buds Q. hold the fingers on the buds touch panel shown in the video and image. And press the next button. Select the device found in the list to pair, and select pair. Now the buds, paired with the device, and ready to manage. On the top, the battery meter showing the buds battery status. Game mode. If you enable the game mode while playing the games, you can enjoy the game environment with buds. On the hamburger button, you can find the device details, device MAC address, and help content. We can only configuring the tap options in Link app. The round shape of the cobble is a perfect fit for your ears. You will be addicted to its frosted texture, which feels like the cobble flowing in your hands. Tested on music and video quality, bass also nice.